In this video, we'll show how you can create custom display formats for client-side templating. So client-side templating is used in list controls, in ViewBox controls, and several other places. So you can see here we have a simple list control, and we've got a score number here, which is actually a number. But we'd like to actually display some text that either says, say, high risk or low risk. So if we go back to look at the data in this list control, we can see that there's the score, and it's 50 and 200. So our formatting rule says that if the score is less than 100, we display high risk, and if it's greater than 100, we display low risk. So if we go to the actual template for the list, so here's our layout template, and there's the score. You can see that for the template here, we're using a format directive called credit. But this is a custom format directive that we have authored ourselves. So let's basically go here and get rid of the format directive temporarily, and then go ahead now and then run the component. So now we'll see the raw data in the field. So we'll see basically 50 and 200. So let's go back now and add in the custom format directive. So we'll go back to layout there, go over to the score, go to the template, put our insertion point there just before the closing curly bracket, and we'll say insert format directive, and you can see there's a category there called custom, and I'm going to choose the format directive called credit, which I've previously created. So that'll go ahead there and insert that format directive. So now when we go ahead and we run the component, we'll see that instead of seeing the numbers, we see high risk or low risk. So let's go now and take a look at how this format directive was defined. So if we go back now to the list builder, and we go to the layout there, and we go and we say insert format directive, and then we see how to. It tells us that we need to go to the web projects control panel. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we'll go to the web projects control panel, and we'll open up project properties, and you can see here we have template format directives. So I'll open that up, and there's my format directive called credit, and there's the corresponding JavaScript code. So the JavaScript code gets a value of v which is the value that needs to be formatted, and you can see here I'm saying that basically convert that value into a number, and if it's less than 100, return the value high risk, otherwise return the value low risk. So there's my formatting directive. I can create as many of them as I want, and these can be used in all places in Alpha Anywhere where templates are supported, which includes lists, view boxes, control bars, etc. Thanks very much for watching.